Hello everyone, welcome back to this Building Up Your Own HMI and PLC series video. In this video, we will discuss number 8 topic, how can we leverage Ignition demo project. From the Ignition website, there's one very great demo project we can download and we can utilize that. Especially for the new learner, there are a lot of component and sample elements we can use from this demo project. So in this video, I will introduce how can we download and how can we import the gateway and the project into your local computer and how can we use that. Okay, let's go to the Ignition website. And then let's go to inductiveautomation.com. This is the Ignition main website. And then go to the right side, we can click this area and click this Ignition Exchange. This is one new feature from this website. And from this area, that's actually a big lab. You can utilize a lot of demo project at here. And one important demo project we can search from here. We can type in demo. And from here, we can find this Ignition 8 demo project. And let's click. And this is one huge demo project. It includes a lot of elements and sample projects inside. And this is a very great sample, and we can start from this project. And great things, the sample project, when we download from this website, that is the one virtual machine. So you can use VM player directly open this virtual machine and plug and play. Also, you can download this virtual machine and you can firstly open this virtual machine and export the gateway and the project, and then import the gateway and the project into your local computer. So I will do this way. Okay? Let's download. And you can read the detail from this installation notes as well as the versions. From here, we can see it totally has 4 versions here. So the latest version, version 4. So you have to use the Ignition above 8.1.13, this version. Okay, we can download this one. And you can click this button and you can write down the username and the password. When we log in into the Ignition gateway, we need this username and the password. Okay, so we can click the download, and you can create account and sign in and download. After we download this virtual machine, this file actually this is a virtual machine. It has 6 GB. Then you can unzip this file to your local and then use the VM player to open it. All right, as we can see here, this virtual machine was assigned 8 GB, so you need to make sure your computer, the RAM, at least greater than 8 GB. So, okay, let's click this open. Play the virtual machine. So the login of this Ubuntu system, this is Ignition. So let's type in the Ignition, Ignition. Okay, we log in into this Ubuntu system. All right, once we log in this Ubuntu system, so we can see the Ignition has been installed and it built in the demo project. So as we can see here, this system is built up by this Ubuntu, this system. So we do not need to care about the inside setting. Especially we need to log in into the gateway so we can backup the gateway setting and the project. We can export this backup file. Then we can use this backup file. We can import to our system. So let's log in. So the default, it browse localhost colon 8088. Okay, so it automatically log in into this perspective demo. Okay, this web page style. So as we can see, by default, where this IE browser, we can see this project. It automatically run up. So this is the perspective demo. As we know, the Ignition, it has couple versions. For the industry style, basically it has 2 main versions. One is called Vision system. One is called Perspective system. Perspective basically based on this IE browser style, But the vision, this is based on the client style. So in industry area, basically we will use these two versions. Okay, so this is the perspective versions. Okay, this is where we can see this is basically the HMI system. We can go to the real-time status, click HMI. So we will see this is the demo, the simulation HMI system is running. Click the quality. So we will see those icons, computer and the graphics. It has some explanation here. So it demonstrates what the function of those items. Okay, and if we go to the alarms, so we can see this alarm samples here. All those things we can find from the project. Then if you like this, so you can use this icon or items as your example, as your template. Okay. Document management. And here the demo apps. So we can go to the water system. This is the water system demonstration. Shows pump status. Okay, this is the dashboard. Okay, click the overview. And we can also go to this vision demo. Click this vision demo. Basically, you can find all the essential or very useful template from those examples. And now I believe you will think, how can we get this project so we can open as a designer, as engineering mode, so we can copy and reuse those templates. Then let's go to the ignition, this web home, and let's log in. So to log in this system, the password, that is the admin, and the password, that's the password. Okay, admin password. And let's log in. And after log in, let's go to the config. And then let's go to the gateway setting. So we will see this gate name, a name ignition demo VM. Okay. Then let's go to the backup restore. So let's click this download backup. This backup will backup all the gateway setting plus the project. So I will assume this gateway won't be too small. So it will be higher than 100 megabyte. The gateway includes all the setting at here plus the project. And we can also backup the project only without the variables behind. So we can click this projects as here. So we can click the projects here and we can see under this gateway umbrella, we can see there are 3 projects at here. IA demo, online demo, tag, dashboard. And we can click there and click this export. But notice that all those projects are only screens. They are not including all the tags. So to backup the tags belong to the gateway here. That's why too easy to backup everything, we will use this download backup. So under this server, so we can go to the database setting. We will see a lot of settings here. And also we can go to the tags real time. So we will see the vision provider and the default, it has this setting here. And we can go to the driver. We can see there are a lot of drivers at here. Connections. And then the OPC connections. So OPC device connections. Okay, we have those simulator connections at here. So this is under the OPC UA. At here, the device connections. So those all belongs to the gateway setting. So we download those projects. Okay, so those 4 files, this is the gateway and this is the individual project. We can copy those files out, just copy and paste to your host Windows system. Okay, just a copy paste out. Okay, all right, we back up all those projects and the gateway, and now let me close this demo virtual machine, and let's use our system, and I will import this demo project, and let me show roughly how can we use this. Okay, and now I will shut down this virtual machine system. Okay, this is the 4 files I copy paste from the virtual machine out to my Windows system. Here I like to mention again the 3 files on the top, that is the projects, and the white file, that's the gateway. You can import the only gateway, and the gateway will replace your local gateway. And then you have everything into your local Vision ignition system. Or you can import projects only. Here I like to introduce the common way I used to do. So I will use my laptop to import this gateway. So I have everything into my local laptop, this configuration. And my remote desktop that's running as a server controller, that's actually the ignition server. And then from my engineering laptop, I can open the gateway and open the projects I import from the VM, and at the same time, I can also use the designer launcher open the remote ignition server project. So I can open the 2 projects at the same time, so it's easy for me to copy from the demo project, copy some elements to my projects at the server side. So this can copy back and forth easily. All right, this is my engineering station. Okay, so let me use the IE browser. And let's sign in first. This is my local at the engineering laptop. So I set username admin and the password admin. Okay. Once we log in, we can see the left corner. This is my current gateway name. I name it EAH gateway. So if we go to the config, then my gateway setting. So we will see this is my gateway setting. If now I click the backup, so we will see it's going to backup my gateway setting. So the file includes my current gateway name, ignition EAH-GW. Okay, we can click save. Here I like to mention again, before you import or restore a gateway file, you need to backup your existing gateway at first. Otherwise, once you import, you will lose all the existing settings and the projects in your current gateway. And now the current file, the size is 137 megabyte. So it includes everything. Okay. So I backup firstly, and then we can import. Let's click this restore. And from here, let's click the browse. And then I can go to my folder and find out the gateway. Okay, this is the gateway we just did the backup from the virtual machine, the ignition virtual machine. Okay, and I can import, click open. Okay, I will click the restore. I will import everything. The gateway name belongs to this gateway inside. It will wipe out our existing gateway name. See this word, it is recommended to backup this server before restoring. Okay. Then we will see the gateway was replaced by this ignition demo virtual machine. So this time when I log in this gateway, we will see my username and password was admin. But now if I log in the admin, I cannot log in anymore. That's because we import the gateway that come from ignition demo project. And if you recall, that gateway setting, that is the admin, and the password, that is the password. So this time when I log in this gateway, I need to type in admin, and the password, I need to type in the letters password. And the username from the ignition gateway, that's the small case a admin. Okay, and the password, that's the letters password. So this time it should allow me to log in. Okay, we can see it log in. Okay, that means your login, username, password, all those settings belong to the gateway. And once you import another gateway, it wipes out everything. So if we go to the gateway setting, you'll see my gateway changed to ignition demo VM. All right, and let's go to the projects. So we'll see all those projects are at here. We can open and we can use the existing template. We can copy the template or any elements from this demo and we can use them. Okay, then let me show how can we use the designer launcher to open those projects. Now I need to use the designer to browse my local gateway. The local gateway, this is just we import. So let me show how can we do this. Let's open this designer. Okay, this IP address 192.168.1.130, this is my remote computer. This is this. Okay, now I need to browse my local gateway. So let's click this Add Designer. Okay, so we'll see this is my local designer, that local host. I can click this local host that especially represents this is my local rather than outside any computers. So I can click this local host, Add Designer. Okay, so as we can see, this is my gateway before, and this is the demo from the ignition. So once I click this designer here, I can click Open Designer. It's browsing my local projects from my local gateway. This is local host. And password, that's the letters password. Okay, so we open this designer and it's opening my local gateway. So it browsed all the projects belong to my local gateway. So we can see IA demo, online demo, tag dashboard. And if we record from my local gateway here, so we can see there are 3 projects at here, IA demo, online demo, tag dashboard. Okay, so this designer browsed these 3 projects and I can open one of them. For example, I introduced that is a vision demo, vision system, the perspective that is the IE style. So I'm going to open this, open. All right, as we can see now, I open this ignition demo project and we can open the vision, open the windows. So for example, I can open this real-time status and control. Okay. Okay, so you can open this project. And once you click any elements here, you can see the properties at here. Okay, this is the demo project. And in the meantime, we can also open our existing project. As I introduced, my existing project that come from my computer, remote computer, right? So I can minimize this. Then I can open this gateway. This gateway actually is browsing the project locate at my remote computer. We just opened this. So I can double click. Basically, this is the shortcut of this. Okay, I open. I can click the Open Designer. So it's opening. Okay, this is the login come from my remote computer. As I introduced before, that login name, that's the admin, and A is a capital. Okay, I can log in into that remote gateway. Okay, this is the project we did before. Click open. Okay, this is the project we did before. And from this vision, and I can open the window. I can open the second screens at here. Okay, my remote computer, the trial license got expired. I can jump into my remote computer and I can reactive that 2 hours trial license. And then I can demonstrate how can we copy one element or any template from that demo project into our personal project. As we can see here, we are opening 2 projects right here. This is our personal project and this is the demo project, right? For example, now I can shift to the demo project. Okay, I can copy this entire panel here. Copy, jump to our project, and I can click this copy paste. Okay, so we can copy this. So we can see the button behind it has properties here. And then we can connect our tags. I can drag this bool tag to here. Okay, so if this time after I drag here, so we can see it connect to this variable. Okay, and now if I reactive that trial license, we will see the project will start to run. Okay, now I'm going to use this remote desktop, jump to my remote computer and active the trial license. This is my remote computer, and then let's log in into my local gateway. Okay, log in, and its username is admin. Okay, I can active this trial license. Okay, after we reactive this trial license, now let's shift back to my engineering laptop. Okay, now I go back to my engineering laptop now. So we can see after I reactive the trial license in my computer, so we'll see all those tags turn to normal. Okay, if I'm going to use this icon show my value, I can drag anything of this and I can drag to here, and it is working now. Okay, so using this way, if we go back to the layout, at my engineering laptop, I'm opening 2 projects at the same time. Actually, I'm browsing 2 gateways at the same time. One belongs to my local, that's the ignition demo gateway and projects. In the meantime, I'm also opening another gateway from my remote computer and open my private project. So when I open the project at the same time, so I can copy any elements from this demo project to my personal project. And this is also a common way if you have a different project opening at the same time. And this is also the same case as your real practice and your real project. For example, the left side, this is the ignition HMI server. And you are using your laptop doing some HMI program, right? But you probably do some offline programming, prepare ahead, and then you go on site. So that means when you're doing the offline project, you can use your laptop and your local gateway and your local HMI project at your laptop. And then when you go on site, you can open the remote, the HMI server. That's the on-site HMI server. And open your local project and open this HMI server project at the same time. And open the HMI screens you prepared. And copy those HMI screens and the variables from your local HMI project to the remote HMI, the server HMI project. So you can prepare this HMI project ahead, and when you go on site and copy paste to the target HMI project. This is exactly the same case, and this is also the proper way I figure out, allowing you to prepare some program offline program, and then you go on site and copy your prepared HMI project, the screens and variables, copy them to the target HMI server project. Alright, this is the topic for today. In this video, I showed how can we utilize the demo project from Ignition website we download, and how can we copy the elements and some components from this sample HMI project to your local, yourself HMI project. And also this is the exact similar case if you prepared some offline program already, and how can we copy the prepared HMI project to your target, to your on-site project. Okay, this is all the topic for this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up. If you like to watch more videos in my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell. Thank you for watching.